Welcome everybody. This time we're going to be analyzing the theme, the beloved theme of the movie Godfather. This is the first question, finishing on number 5 of the scale. Almost an identical question, but ending on 4, so you feel different at the end. The first part of the answer and the second part. And this is the confirmation that you came home. Part of the reason why this is so beloved, because it's such a beautiful, elegant theme. Listen to it again. The question, a repeated question, but with a slightly different answer, and then a very elegant three-step resolve to home.